I'm Shalyse Kendrick, your local Long Beach realtor, and in this video I'll be talking about California's latest program in an attempt to help first-time home buyers. And I'll tell you all about one that I think is better. So California just launched a new program that lets first-time home buyers borrow a down payment of up to 10% at a 0% interest rate. It's called the Forgivable Equity Builder Loan. Just like many of the other down payment assistance programs in California, this one has an income restriction. And just like the others, it faces the one problem we cannot ignore: the disproportionate way in which home prices have appreciated versus the way income has increased. Many people who do qualify for these programs often can't afford the home that will fit their needs, like proximity to work or space for their family, for example, or safety. Add in a co-buyer to help them afford more house, and now they don't qualify for the program at all. So you see the conundrum. Even further, say you do fit into the near impossible category of qualifying for these programs and being able to afford a home that does fit your needs. The next hurdle will be getting your offer accepted, and we know how that's going in this market. So a lot of these programs are seen by sellers as a buyer weakness, as they typically have more conditions. Now that may not always be the case, but that's how it's seen by sellers. Nevertheless, these programs are available and they've got to be working for someone, right? So I highly encourage you to explore whether or not they may work for you. I'm gonna link them right down below. But this video is not about those. It's not about the new program. This one is about a combination of two programs that I believe are far superior. So this is kind of a long video, but if you're serious about buying a home and could use some financial help, you'll want to watch the whole thing. So the first program is America's Home Grant, which is offered exclusively by Bank of America. This is a lender credit of up to $7,500, and it can be used towards non-recurring closing costs, title insurance, recording fees, or buying down your interest rate. The funds do not have to be paid back. The second one is the Down Payment Grant Program. This is a grant program of up to 3% of the home purchase with a maximum of up to $10,000. Also does not have to be paid back unless you sell, refinance, or transfer the property, just like the other programs. And just like the others, there are restrictions, but here's why I feel this one is superior than the rest. First is you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. Second, your loan ends up funding more than the financed amount, leaving you with extra money in your pocket, which is what you would have used for your down payment and closing costs. It can be up to $17,500. Now, what would you do with an extra $17,500? And then the location of the property is restricted to census tract areas with low to moderate income, unless you earn the maximum income in other areas. Then the grant can be applied to said area. So for example, in Los Angeles County, that income limit is $64,000. Now it doesn't seem like a lot, but in the low to moderate census tract, the income limit is $120,000 in LA County and $160,000 in Orange County. So you see, it's a lot higher than the others. The catch is you just gotta be in the low to moderate income census tract, which can be very nice areas. Finally, the grant converts an FHA loan to a conventional loan. And if you've been shopping for condos with an FHA loan in Long Beach, then you'll know that FHA approved condos are very hard to come by. So this opens up many more opportunities for buyers, especially ones who, make less than the maximum limit. So all else equal, if a seller gets an FHA offer versus the conventional, they'll likely go with the conventional. So not only does this help put extra money in your pocket, it helps you keep up in a competitive market. So these aren't all of the reasons why I think this program is better, but they're definitely the main points. I've helped numerous buyers use this program, and I can't recommend it enough. As I said, there are restrictions, but when it works, it really does work well. And I would love to hear your input. Let me know in the comments if you've used any down payment assistance programs and how it worked for you and what was your experience. I'd love to know. Also, if you have any other topics you want me to cover, let me know too. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate videos. My name is Shalyse Kendrick, and I'm your local Long Beach realtor.